Hello guys, welcome back. I've got another airdrop for you, absolutely free, very easy, 5 minute, 10 minute, whatever you gonna take. You know, obviously if you're doing it first time, maybe it's not gonna be that fast, but it's literally very easy. There is just a Telegram group, follow them on Twitter. If you optional ones are LinkedIn and Facebook, so you would need those three platforms. What is that? Is a new type of exchange that they are building right now, and we can get on the airdrop, get some points. Already got some points literally in 5 minutes. It says I earned like $5, but the token is not launched yet, so just remember that we can gather some points right now. Maybe there will be some more tasks soon, and then obviously when it launches, they're going to send those tokens to our wallet, and then you can do with them. You can sell them, you can keep them, whatever you want. And you know, just check out the project. What do you think? And let's just get into it. Very simple. So you'll find the link down below to Telegram. You're gonna join Telegram like that. It's gonna ask you for some verification here, and then you've got this task. So first one is join Telegram. Easy, click on it, join Telegram. There'll be a button, come back. Then there is the Twitter one, which will take you to Twitter. I think it was Twitter. Yeah, it was Twitter here, and you have to provide later your Twitter handle. So you just type it basically in from your Twitter profile, copy paste, and it verifies if you joined, and then it turns to green. Next one, LinkedIn. Go to the LinkedIn link, follow them, and then after that you're gonna copy your profile link, your LinkedIn. You just follow them here and then copy them from the LinkedIn and put in your handle as well. Like this, you just put your handle, and no, not like this. You have to copy the whole link from LinkedIn, and then the same thing with Facebook. You just copy and paste your whole profile link, and that's it. All of them should turn green, and you should be able to get 40 Ouinex tokens, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Literally 3 minutes, so I'm not gonna take your time. If you want to ask me any questions or get struggled somewhere, just follow, join my Telegram. I'll put down link as well, and just let's make some money. Hopefully with the airdrop, is going to be probably in June, so 3 more months to go. As I said, you can come to my Telegram, ask any questions. I'll try to help you out. So thank you guys for watching.